Hi there, my name is Amber Allen and this is my first YouTube video. I have recorded some video clips of my hike a few weeks ago that my boyfriend and I did go on in Kananaskis, Alberta. It was at the Widowmaker Trail. It did take us about 2 hours to do and it was about 5.5k hike. It was super easy. Though we did go in winter, so there was some icy spots, which I would be very careful about. So it would have been nice to have crampons, but you can do it without them. We did take our time in this hike, so do consider that into the time factor of the 2 hours and the 5.5k as we do kind of go off the path a bit, soak it up, and just kind of explore what is out there. We did see some water surfers. Never seen them before, but it was like dead winter and these guys are on the water surfing, which was pretty cool. So we just chat with them too. But yeah, anyways, we'll go right in with my videos and some clips along the trail, and I hope you enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little adventure out there. If you enjoyed it, please let me know down in the comments and give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I will keep creating more content if it is something you guys do enjoy. Take care.